Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a painting that I had a lot of fun with. I started this one on a canvas that I had previously used and it sucked. It royally sucked. So I went into this just with the intent to not waste a canvas. So I played and I played and I played and I played and I really love how this one turned out. I decided to start with my interference colors on the bottom because I knew it was going to pop on the black background. And then I moved on to gold because I know that gold does not do very well when it is on an upper layer, but I also really love gold with red. So then I added 2 different shades of red because I knew that it would create a different it would create a multi-dimensional red. It wouldn't just be one shade of red. And they actually ended up being more of like an orange by the time everything was said and done. And then I love making blooms, as you know, and so I used my mini blower, and I will put a link in the description below for you to find for you to see the one that I have. Just if you get one, get an orange one. Now I'm using my embossing tool, and you can't go wrong with an embossing tool. You can use it for just about anything. And I was very careful when spinning this one because I wanted to make sure that my bloom spun out correctly. I didn't want to warp my cells, and I wanted to make sure that it was centered. I had already done a bloom I had already tried doing a swipe that night, and I really didn't like how it turned out. So by the time I hit this point, I was being extremely careful. As I go, I like to pull off any excess, especially when I'm trying really hard to keep my my painting from spreading too far. So you can actually start pulling paint off of the sides to just slow the spread, like keep it from pulling out too far. Anyway, this was my great result after I played around with some color. What's your favorite color combination to use? Let me know down below. I love trying out new color combinations. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a great day.